Ruby having her first bath at home in her new pink bath. Yes, and she loves it. Don't you, darling? You love it. Yeah, I'll keep that on you to keep you warm. What's Daddy got? Let me wipe your little eye. Oh. That's a little bit of a puff or something. Get it out. Mommy, sorry. I got it. There we go. There's one little eye. Two little eyes. Look at your face. Oh, it's such a tiny little face. Okay.